Today, you will learn how to create fillable lines in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So first, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Now, there are multiple ways to create fillable lines, and I'll explain the easiest ones first, then we'll move to slightly more advanced but very useful methods. The simplest method is using the underscore key on your keyboard. Just press and hold the Shift key and then press the dash key to create a straight line like this. This works, but the problem is when someone types on it, the line gets messy or disappears, so this is not the best method if you want something professional. A better way is the tab leader method. First, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab. Then look for the small arrow in the paragraph section and click it. In the window that opens, click on Tabs at the bottom. Now you'll see an option called Tab Stop Position. You can type a number like 6 or 7, depending on how long you want your line. Then, under Leader, select option number 4, which shows a straight line. After that, click Set and then OK. Now, when you press the Tab key on your keyboard, Word will automatically create a clean, straight, fillable line. This looks much more professional and is great for forms and documents. Now let's move to a more powerful method using tables, which is actually one of the best tricks. Go to the Insert tab, click on Table, and insert a one-column table with multiple rows. Now adjust the width of the table to your desired size. Then click inside the table, go to the Table Design tab, and remove all borders. After that, select only the bottom border for each row. This creates neat lines where users can type directly above them. This method is very clean and works perfectly for forms, applications, and worksheets. If you want users to type directly into the document without breaking the format, then you should use the Developer tab and Form Controls. First, you need to enable the Developer tab. Go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon, and check the box that says Developer, then click OK. Now you will see the Developer tab at the top. Click on it, then choose Plain Text Content Control. This will insert a box where users can click and type. You can place this wherever you want in your document, even next to labels like name, address, or date. This is the best method if you're creating a fully fillable digital form. You can also combine these methods to create complete professional documents. For example, you can use tables for layout and content controls for input areas. This gives you full control and makes your document look clean and easy to use. Another useful tip is to protect your document so users can only fill in the lines and not accidentally change anything else. Go to the Developer tab, click on Restrict Editing, then select Filling in Forms and click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. This will lock your document and keep everything in place. You can also explore similar features like creating checkboxes, drop-down lists, and date pickers from the Developer tab. These are very helpful if you're making surveys, registration forms, quizzes, or Office documents. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more simple and powerful Microsoft Word tricks, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.